Unlocking the benefits of ginger water. What you need to know. Ginger is not just a tasty spice, it's also good for your health. But what about drinking ginger water? Let's find out if it has any health benefits. While there isn't much research on ginger water specifically, studies show that ginger has many health benefits. Some people believe that drinking ginger water after breakfast can make you feel fuller, which might help with weight management. It may also lower fasting blood sugar levels in people with type 2 diabetes and help relieve pain. Drinking ginger water seems safe, but there are a few things to keep in mind. Drinking too much might give you gas, loose stools, abdominal pain, or heartburn. If you take blood-thinning medication, ginger could interfere with it, so talk to your doctor first. Ginger is known to help with nausea, but pregnant women should check with their doctor before using it for morning sickness. You can make ginger water at home by buying fresh ginger with smooth skin and a spicy smell. Add honey or lemon to improve the taste. You can also buy ginger water at the store in various forms like tea or juice. In conclusion, drinking ginger water is a great way to stay hydrated with natural healthy fluids instead of sugary drinks. Always consult with your doctor if you have any concerns about your health.